Do you want to make Twitter X dark mode? You can enable dark mode on X with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To enable dark mode on your X account, first, open the X app on your mobile device. Once you are on X, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the side menu. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. Then tap on Settings and Privacy from the expanded menu. Now, tap on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. A new screen will open with different options. From here, tap on Display. Here you will see different options. Under Display, tap on Dark Mode. Now, a new screen appears. Select on to enable dark mode. This will switch your X app to dark mode. Your X interface will change to a dark background, which is easier on the eyes in low light conditions.